Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Bitcoin from Trust Wallet to Revolut in 2025. With the latest updates, this process is faster and more secure than ever, but we'll walk through it step by step to make sure you do it right and avoid any common pitfalls. Whether you're new to crypto or just want a quick refresh, this guide is for you. First off, make sure you have both the Trust Wallet and Revolut apps installed on your device. You'll need Bitcoin in your Trust Wallet and a verified Revolut account that supports cryptocurrency. Check that crypto is enabled in your settings. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and go to the Bitcoin section. You'll see your current balance, so double check that you have enough to cover the transfer and any network fees. Step 2. Tap on the Send button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Now, switch over to your Revolut app. In Revolut, navigate to the Crypto tab, select Bitcoin, and copy your unique deposit address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Head back to Trust Wallet and paste that address into the recipient field. Step 3. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Be precise, and always review the estimated fees. In 2025, blockchain improvements might have reduced costs, but they can still vary. Step 4. Hit Review to see all the details, then confirm the transaction using your PIN, Face ID, or whatever security method you've set up. Once sent, the transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Finally, jump back to Revolut and check your crypto balance to confirm the Bitcoin has arrived. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so triple check everything to prevent losses. If you run into issues, Revolut's support or community forums can be a big help. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video.